back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cocktailing with Cannabis. Today we're going to make my favorite sipping cocktail, the Negroni. With a little bit of a twist, we'll do a Stoney Negroni. The Negroni was invented in 1919 by Count Negroni when he walked into Cafe Casoni and asked his favorite bartender to remix an Americano, making it a little bit stronger, replacing the soda water with gin. So let's find out how we make a white Stoney Negroni with my little twist. Very easy. We're going to use equal parts gin, bitter bianco, and white vermouth. And how we're going to infuse it is just using a little bit of THC Infused simple syrup. But if you'd like to infuse any alcohol, you can click the card to learn to do that now, or you can click the other card to learn how to make THC Infused simple syrup. So as I mentioned, equal parts. We're using Dillon's Dry Gin. This is a beautiful Canadian-made gin. Bitter bianco to keep everything nice and white. And then we have our white vermouth. Perfect. I'm going to add just a little bit of THC infused simple syrup just to ramp it up. And then we have bitters from Token Bitters. And these are a white lavender bitter. And I'm going to give that 4 dashes. Our most important ingredient in cocktailing, ice. One more. We'll ice our glass while we stir. And you'll want to dilute it not too long, maybe stir for about 20 seconds. We just want to cool it down and get a little bit of water into the drink. Perfect. Take our julep strainer, place it in. Strain it over ice. Very simple cocktail. And then I'm going to garnish with just one grapefruit wedge. And there we go. That's how you make a Stoney Negroni. I hope you'll make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next week, cheers!